Today I want to share with you 6 ideas for lead magnets that can help you build your email list fast. So it's important to have an email list for several reasons. 1, it's inexpensive marketing. 2, you own the list, whereas on social media, any of that could go away at any moment. And 3, it's a good way to develop a relationship with your clients or customers, and it eventually gives you a better chance of selling to them. If you don't know me, I'm Steph Shinneberry, and I help entrepreneurs and network marketers grow their business online. The lead magnet should be something quick for them to consume and give them an easy, quick win. So here are your 6 lead magnets. The first one is an ebook or a PDF download. An ebook can be created pretty easily in Canva. If you don't know what that is, that's a free app that's really simple to use. And you can create it in there, make it look nice, and you can even create a book cover in there. Or you can hire that out a place like Upwork or Fiverr. I had one done at Fiverr and I think it cost me $5. And for example, my ebook was 11 strategies to help you rank advance 7 times in your first 60 days of your network marketing company. The second is a video series. So you could do 3 to 5 short videos that could solve a problem and give a quick solution. One that I thought of was how to do Facebook Lives. There are so many people that are terrified to do a Facebook Live, but if they just had like a simple guideline on how to get started, I think more people would be comfortable doing them. It could include something like how to do headlines, a hook, a call to action, and any tips on lighting that you might want to give. 3, an ultimate guide. So these are pretty popular, and with a title like ultimate, it needs to be pretty all-inclusive. So you could do research on like 5 to 6 blog articles and compile those resources into one PDF or guide. So it's a collection of best tips and strategies. A couple of examples are the ultimate guide to chakras, or the ultimate guide to keto diet, or the ultimate guide to flat abs. Number 4, checklists. Checklists are great because they can keep you from overlooking some vital component that might actually cost you a lot of time or money, or even have a do-over. So checklists are wonderful. One example of a checklist are all the things you need to optimize your uploading your video to YouTube. Number 5, a resource guide. So I find these very helpful. Often people will compile a list of maybe apps, like video editing apps. And the reason I like them is because they don't just throw apps up on the wall. They have actually gone through these apps, and they'll tell you maybe the benefits or some features of the apps. Or you could do a collection of videos or a collection of books on a certain subject. These can save people a lot of time and help them get results quicker. Number 6, you could do a coupon or a discount on either a product or a service. It could be a physical product or a digital product, anywhere from 10 to 20 or 30% off, and get the email in exchange for that. So there's a link below for a free training on creating your first ebook to position yourself as an instant authority. So just click the link below and grab that. Be sure and click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when I release a new video. Thanks for watching.